Hey, Kelvin, what you working on over there, bud?
Hey, Kahn, you doing all right today?
I'm doing very well. I see you doing some electrical work, huh?
I'm trying to anyway.
Trying to. Well, how about I show you a cool new wire connector from WURTH USA to really make that job a lot easier for you.
Let's go.
All right, come on over to the bench. Hey, Kelvin, before we get started on your fire truck, let's do a quick demonstration because I don't want to mess anything up on this cool fire truck.
All right.
So if you don't mind, I'd like to demonstrate one of the crimp solder and seal connectors here that come in also assortment for all your different wire gauges. As you probably already know, you get them in standard colors of red, blue, or yellow. So let's do a quick demonstration real quick. So first thing we're going to do is strip the wire, as I already pre-stripped this, insert it into your crimp ring, and crimp one side of it, just so everything's nice and tight. Then you're going to insert the other side, and we're going to do the same thing. Crimp it again so it's nice and tight. Then we're going to heat it up with the old torch. And we gently place a little heat on the outside of the ring itself.
So we're heating the solder first?
Absolutely. We're going to work outwards towards the end of the actual connector to prevent any air bubbles. And as you can see, I'm applying indirect heat to the actual terminal to prevent any fires potentially happening from catching that heat shrink on fire. And you'll see it already start to dissipate.
I am. I'm watching the solder melt as we speak.
How's that look to you so far?
It's definitely sealed. We got the glue coming out both ends.
It's pretty good, right? It's good stuff.
I'll tell you what, I'm ready to get back to the fire truck.
Hey, you grab the strippers, I'll grab the torch.
I will. Hey, gotta get one of these too.
Absolutely. This kit you can find at WURTH USA at www.wurthusa.com.